Now back to my story. So when I learned how to improve onboarding, the next challenge was is to measure it. And as they say, if you can't measure it, you cannot improve it. I read again many articles, and especially the Lincoln Murphy article. It says that you need to measure time to first value, and first value means that let's just use an example that would be easier. So if I have downloaded a food delivery app, and I would place my first order when I click or when I tap on book button. Let's say I just I have a craving for pizza, and I select pizza, and I put up my details, and I tap on book. That means that I have now my expectation is now set that food is on my way. So the time it takes food delivery app to deliver my food at my doorstep from the uh, from the from the button I press the booking button is called time to first value. Okay, because it is extremely important that I get my food on time, and that is why in many onboarding cases, and I mean in all of the cases, many companies measure time to first value because they want to deliver value, the first value especially, as soon as possible. Now, obviously, there are many factors involved here. You cannot define time to first value in this case, food delivery, X minutes every time, because it varies from what food customer is ordering and this distance uh, uh, from the store to the customer's home. But you have to figure out a threshold that you need to deliver. So, for example, you you define that on an average, our riders are able to deliver certain food in 10 minutes. So now your first value, time to first value metric should be 10 minutes, and you need to make sure that every customer is getting their food within 10 minutes. If in cases it's taking more than 10 minutes, that means that you are there's a room for improvement, either in defining the threshold, or there's something wrong in that journey, or something's breaking or something is not working, which needs to be addressed. So this metric keeps your onboarding in check and make sure that your customer gets the first value in the right on the right time. And once you are able to achieve that, I mean, it's easier said than done, but if you are able to achieve that metric consistently, then your onboarding would be considered awesome, and then it would lead to uh, recurring orders and eventually reduce your churn. So that is why this metric is extremely important, and my experience has validated this again and again in multiple products. Thank you for listening.